Hey guys, sorry I haven't been up in a while. I haven't been uploading in a while. But I've been in the process of making a movie. A lot of people, have been saying I've been copying this one person called Rich Alvarez, which you guys should actually go subscribe to him because his movie is actually really cool. But I've been working on this movie before him, but this movie's not going to be like huge like his, like a 50-minute thing. It's only be like maybe like 10 minutes. But I'm recording it on a phone. iPhone 4 barely works. So it's gonna have horrible graphics loss. So sorry about that. But I'm in the process of making it. I'll keep you guys updated. And that's it. I still have my Xbox, but I don't know what to do with it because my games are broken already. I know because one of my friends broke them, but I got my hair dyed. Got some blonde highlights. But I should have a video up tomorrow. I don't know. I'm probably gonna do some taekwondo. Yes, I do know taekwondo. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. And this is me signing out.